In this video, I will show you how to find hidden text messages on your iPhone. So whenever you go to your message app, here you will see your primary messages. And now to find out all hidden text messages, you have to enable filter option. To enable filter option for your message app, go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. And here scroll down and search for message, tap on that, and in message settings scroll down, and here you will find this filter unknown senders option. Just enable this option and then go to your message app, and now on at the top left corner of your message app you will find this filters icon. Just tap on that, and here you will find known senders, unknown senders, unread messages, and recently deleted folder. And using all of these options, you will be able to see all of hidden text messages. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.